Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a debit or credit card to Google Wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by opening the Google Wallet app on your Android device. On the main screen, tap the Add to Wallet button, usually found at the bottom right. Now select Payment Card from the list of available options. Now tap on Add a Payment Card. Then you will see two options. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or tap Enter Details manually if you prefer to type in the information yourself. This includes your card number, expiration date, CVV, and your name exactly as it appears on the card. Once you have entered the required details, tap Save or Continue to proceed. Google will now begin the card verification process. This step confirms that you own the card. You might receive a one-time password via SMS, email, or a prompt from your bank's mobile app. Follow the instructions to complete the verification. Once verified, your card will be added to your Google Wallet. Now your card is ready for use. Whether you are tapping to pay in stores, checking out online, or using Google Pay supported apps. If you receive an error or the card is declined, it could mean that your bank does not support Google Pay or that there's a temporary issue. Try again later or contact your bank for help. And that's it. Your debit or credit card is now active in Google Wallet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.